From Medicaid adjustments to state hospital-related issues to child care, it was another busy day on the Montana House floor as a number of appropriations bills were up for discussion. MTN senior political reporter Jonathan Ambarian has an update from the Capitol.
With just over 20 days left in the 2025 legislative session, we've reached the point where the policy in the bill isn't the only thing that matters. The price tag is also a key factor. The House had another lengthy agenda Monday, going through bills that appropriate state money. Several of them already passed initial votes on the House floor, but came back after they went through what lawmakers call a haircut, when the House Appropriations Committee tweaks a bill to reduce its budget impact. They include HB 185, which previously allowed children under 6 to stay on the Healthy Montana Kids insurance program for 3 years, regardless of changes in their family's income.
Probes cut that back to 2 years in an amendment, which means there'll be more frequent eligibility determinations for these kids, but it's still better than the annual review that these kids go through now.
And HB 456, which would expand a program that helps people pay child care costs to serve more workers in child care facilities.
I'm confident that this bill, as amended, will reduce turnover among child care workers.
The House also gave initial approval to a bill that would split up the largest state agency, the Montana Department of Public Health and Human Services. HB 851 would create a Department of Health Services, which would be responsible for a variety of mental health and long-term care services, including running the Montana State Hospital in Warm Springs. Supporters said the department's in need of greater efficiency. Opponents said they should give more time before making such a big change.
The institutions in particular have suffered from benign neglect for 30 years, and now we have a crisis.
I'd ask that you give the system a little bit of patience, a little bit of grace.
Also on Monday, the House passed HB 2, the main state budget bill, on a final vote, sending it over to the Senate, where there are hearings expected later this week. In Helena, Jonathan Ambarian, MTN News.